Hey everyone, Codex here. Today we are going to go over Polkadot or DOT, just doing some technical analysis and taking a look at where Polkadot could go over the next few weeks, given the recent move to the downside that we experienced amid the negative sentiment among the investors. So, if that's something you're interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram group where you can get risk models for free, and let's get into this one. So, jumping straight into DOT on the daily time frame, the first thing that I want to talk about is this long-term support line that we mentioned in the last video, and we say that we have held this line a couple of times in the past. As you can see it, we have held it here, bounced back up. We have also held it here, even though we had a wick below it, then again here. A few weeks later, we experienced the same thing, and as of the start of this year, DOT went to the support line, tested it before bouncing back up. And look, you can say whatever you want about the videos that we make, but we said it. I mean, you can't deny it. We say that the more we test the support, the more we test this line, the higher the chances will be to break below it. And if we revisit it, the chances of us crumbling down is super high. And here we are. I mean, DOT is currently still sitting below it. Now, the question is this the end of this drop? Is this really the dip, or are we looking for further pullbacks in Q1 of this year? Because it seems like every time we drop, people say, oh, this is the dip, let's just buy. But the price keeps on going down, sliding to lower levels. Now, if we take a look at the Phoenix Ascending indicator right here, we can clearly see that the green line is still winning its race against both the blue descending LSMA and the red RSI. Focus on what I'm saying. I'm saying the descending LSMA, that's super important. We also have the blue LSMA right here and the red RSI, both of them below the level of 50, which is the yellow line right here. So that's a major bearish signal. And if the green line continues to fall down to the orange line on our daily time frame, of course, then we might fall to the orange band right here, which is currently sitting at 20.5 bucks. Of course, this decreases and increases with the momentum. On the 3 days time frame, it's even worse. I'm sorry to break it to you, but things look horrible now. Look, you have the green line still going down on the 3 days time frame, after having a cross with the red RSI, and the blue LSMA is still super low. I mean, if we continue at this rate, and if the green line keeps on falling, we may even fall below $18 before the end of this month. You can't really expect a bullish momentum from DOT and an uptrend when the blue LSMA is at such low levels. It needs to go up, but now it's hard given the high sell pressure. I mean, look, if you want to rise, we need something similar to here. The green line needs to go up, winning its race against the red RSI, and we need the blue LSMA to start heading up and going above the level of 50. And for now, we don't have any of that. I mean, I only see expansion down heading in the future. Let's look at the 12 hours chart now. I mean, I'm also curious to see. Okay, let me check. Yeah, we can see that the orange line is reached. Now, does this mean you should start longing if you are a day trader or a swing trader? Not really. I mean, we don't have a cross between the red RSI and the ascending green line. The green line is still descending. It's still holding strong down. And as I said, we have a bearish momentum on the other time frames. So don't rely on this too much. All I see is a continuation of the bearish momentum. May we see a rise in the short term to our support, which will turn into resistance at 23.5 US dollars. I don't know now, to be honest. I mean, it's hard to say. We still need some time to figure things out and to see the momentum, but mid-term and long-term, things still look bad, and it's looking like the fallout isn't over yet. That was about it, guys. Thanks for sticking by. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment if you have anything to say. It doesn't really matter. It helps us with the algorithm. Check our Telegram group where, as I said, you can get the risk models for free for BTC, DOT, ADA, and much more. And peace.